Okay, I had my hood done yesterday. Well, 2 days ago. It was done. Last week. But I had to cut it apart again.
Today you have to, or you already had to?
No, I cut it yesterday. I finished it, and it fits pretty good in the beginning when, everything was done here and there. But we had a problem. Let me explain to you almost what happened. In the beginning, this car, it came like a banana. I don't know if Bodhi told you that was up or the front end.
The hood, yeah.
The hood. So it's still happening yesterday when he told me to put the hood on and
and this new side panels?
the new side panels.
Really?
So he told me, cut it and split it out and bring it down.
Okay.
But it was going to change everything. It was going to be a lot of work. And I told him something is wrong on the front end. First thing, it was too high. You can see all the suspension and everything. So when we first did the hood, we did it from here to here, right? But it still was like up. So now if I put this rule all the way up, it goes nice and even down. It really was a nightmare yesterday because he told me, hey, put the hood and, start doing the side panel. I say, we can't. To know what's the problem. So I start measurement and everything, and we put everything down. Radiator support, I cut it. Now the good thing, this thing match all the bottom,
It does, I can see that.
And the beginning was up.
Yeah.
All the way up.
I always attributed that for it being on this, but I see the difference now that it's down.
It looks way, way different. I mean, it looks the same. Like if you filmed, a few days ago and you say, they don't did nothing, but we did a lot.
Yeah. So today you're going to tack back on the front.
I have to add more, and because they changed everything. When you put it down and open a gap, a big gap.
You have to add more metal to
More
the hood.
metal.
Got it. Okay.
Well, it was a nightmare. I mean, but now there is everything there. And it's hard for me because I have to go up and down, and I'm too short.
Exercise.
Metal does a lot of things when you move something. That's. I need more power over here. Oh, right there.
I think we all know who to call for more power.
Who?
Oh my God, now those two pieces are so off from each other.
This. Yeah,
Yeah.
but that one is okay.
Yeah.
This one matched the bottom, the top. I'm just gonna ask the boss what he want me to do, homie.
Because there's more than one way to do it, huh? And each
Yeah,
way
we
is
have
going
to
to make
split
a
it
different
down.
problem that
The-
you're going to then have to fix after.
Yes, yes. Right here, the only way to fix it is splitting the half.
And then add a piece in the middle.
Yeah. We have a problem. I want you to see something in the.
Look at Wolverine.
No, it's my son's graduation, so I have to be clean.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Come on,
Film
just
day,
tell
bro.
me what you think about here. So I can start.
Not again.
Well, we had this problem in the beginning when I did the hood. Remember I told you that it makes it flat because I open it like this. So it keeps doing it, right? We have to fix that problem before we keep doing it. If I let this thing go, hood goes up. Transformers. Because this is getting wider, I mean. But we have that problem in the beginning.
So what do you want to do?
The more easy is to split it out in the center. So it keeps same thing like that, just open. Because even if I open it here, look on the,
Holy shit, you know how many conversations we've had about this hood?
I can only imagine.
Oh my god.
because we had to solve this problem in the beginning too.
No,
And you told me we was gonna like roll there or stretch or something, you know? But it's too
well,
much.
I didn't know it was gonna be doing what it did up there.
Yeah, no, but it's a lot. Yeah. So it's good that we have that problem if we can fix it right. I mean, right in here.
That's good.
I mean, there are worse problems.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh man, see at this point, this is what I get for trying to save time and a buck here. This
Yeah.
is what happens. Every time we try to save time and money, something, and we should have just made one.
Well, technically, you would have ended up having this issue either way when you started
No.
to piece the stuff together.
We could have made one.
But wouldn't you have still encountered this issue when
Actually,
you had to put
no,
it down,
it
and then
was
you would have
good, yeah,
realized that
yeah.
you would have had to drop the front end
It
anyways?
was good that we had this.
So you did technically
Yeah.
save time.
No, we did.
And
We didn't save time. What we saved is the body line. And the
That's-
way it was, where this was. See, when we pulled this apart and put it on the chassis, there was no way of locating
where
where
everything
this
went.
sat in proportion to that. All you have is this body line, okay? Well, the old body line, when the way the grill sat and everything, it looked like a banana, and nobody noticed that
Yeah.
until we started fitting it back up, and then we're like, oh my god, this thing looks like a banana. What's going on? So that's why we tilted the grill back down a little bit, and we found the body line. Well, then we did all this metal work to these fenders, okay? We made the running boards, we made it all tie in, but there was nothing still to tell us where this sat, where this lowest point was. You know what I mean? Where that point sat.
Crazy.
So we were guessing. We built the little core support thing in there to hold everything. We put the hood on thinking, okay, this is gonna work. We kind of measured, we sat the one for the 33 on there, and it looked pretty close. But we didn't have side fenders on there
Yeah.
or anything. So now we have the hood, we set the side fenders on there. The side fenders told us a whole nother story once I had those in there. And then I was really scratching my head because we had this huge gap down here. So now we're where we're at now, which sucks because we've already built the whole nose for that thing, which is fine. We can fill that gap in and you'll never know what we did. But he's right. Now we got to cut the hood up the center,
Add more in order
widen
for it
it,
to.
and yeah, it's just a lot of work because these hoods in the center is where your weakest point is. But as you can see right now, this car has a bitchin' line.
Yes, it does.
I mean, the line on this thing is even more better.
More better.
More better.
I'm with you. Alex, have you ever noticed that you have hearing issues?
Me?
Because of working here, or no?
What's that? See? Oh, it's hard to think. I mean, it stays in the same place.
What do you mean it stays in the same place?
You know, if we split it, look, if you go on top here, hard to explain, but
Okay.
I add, right?
Yeah. You added right in the for the middle. Yeah.
Yeah, but the thing is, if I split it, if I add, it's gonna go higher, but the curve, this curve, doesn't match with this.
So you just need to fix the other, like the curves on the side, before you know how much metal and stuff to fix in the middle. It's making my head hurt, and I don't even have to.
No, it hurts. It hurts. I mean, when you're thinking, it's not easy.
Because everything you do is gonna change something else, and
Yes.
because now it's in 2 pieces, it's gonna almost make it. Yeah. This is why I don't build cars.